Hi everyone and welcome. Is your laptop running slow? Don't worry. You can speed it up in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable startup apps. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If it opens in a small view, now go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that automatically start when your laptop turns on. Right-click and disable apps you don't really need at startup, such as game launchers, chat apps, or update tools. Don't worry, this won't uninstall them. It just stops them from slowing down your boot time. This step alone can make your laptop start much faster. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Next, press Windows plus R, type temp, and hit Enter. A folder will open with temporary files. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then delete the files. If some files don't delete, just skip them. That's completely normal. Now do it one more time. Press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and press Enter. Again, select all files and delete them. These temporary files are safe to remove, and clearing them helps free up space and improve performance. Step 3. Clean up storage automatically. Now open Settings, go to System, then click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically deletes junk files, clears old temporary data, and keeps your storage clean without you doing anything manually. You can also click on Storage Sense and run it once for instant cleanup. Step 4. Restart your laptop. Now restart your laptop to apply all the changes. After restarting, you should notice faster startup, smoother performance, and less lag during everyday tasks. If your laptop is still slow after this, the best long-term upgrade is switching to an SSD or adding more RAM, especially for older laptops. And that's it, you have done. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for tips and tricks.